There is always a special joy when the recipes that we prepare are tasty as well as healthy. We want to share one such delightful recipe with all of you. Therefore, the recipe which we are sharing today is a chutney powder made out of curry leaves. We all for sure know the health benefits that curry leaves has. Without any further ado, let's learn to prepare this tasty and mind-warming chutney powder made out of curry leaves. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon. This helps, inspires and motivates us and also marks a good beginning to our friendship. Here we have washed and dried quite a lot of sprigs of curry leaves. We separated the leaves after it was completely dry and we obtained about 300 grams of curry leaves. Now in a heavy bottomed pan, we are roasting about 25 dry red chilies. We have to roast these dry red chilies for about a minute on medium flame. After a minute of roasting these dry red chilies, let us transfer this to a different plate and let it cool. And now let us heat a large heavy bottomed pan. To this, let us add 1 cup or 200 grams of chana dal. We have to roast this added chana dal on medium flame for about 2 minutes. As soon as the color of the chana dal starts to change, let us add about 30 grams of tamarind to this. After adding the tamarind, it's important to roast this mixture till tamarind loses its moisture. It takes roughly about 3 to 3.5 minutes to roast the mixture after adding the tamarind. Now the chana dal has turned completely golden in color, and now is the time to add the hero ingredient, curry leaves. After adding the curry leaves, we have to roast this mixture for about 20 minutes on medium flame. At the end of 20 minutes, curry leaves changes its color and it fills the whole house with its fragrance. If we lose focus, the ingredients can get burnt very easily. Therefore, it's very important to be patient as well as focused while preparing this chutney powder. Look at this, my dear friends. The curry leaves have roasted perfectly, and now is the time to add the roasted dry chilies back into the pan and roast them back for about 30 seconds. This is purely to blend all the ingredients together and warm the chilies for a while. Just after 30 seconds, let us take this off the stove top and let the mixture cool. When the mixture is at room temperature, let us first blend the roasted dry red chilies with the help of a mixer grinder. After coarsely grinding dry red chilies, let us add chana dal and tamarind and blend them as well. Here, chana dal, tamarind and dry red chilies have been ground perfectly. Now let us add the roasted curry leaves a little by little and finely powder them. After grinding the first batch of curry leaves, let us add 3 teaspoons of sugar as well as the king of taste, Mr. Salt. Add salt as per your taste. Because the curry leaves have a pungent and bitter flavor, sugar must be added. Also, this needs a little more salt than usual. This is it, my dear friends. Tasty and very healthy chutney powder made out of curry leaves is ready. This is an amazing choice to be consumed with hot idlis and dosas. But most importantly, when it is consumed with hot rice along with the generously served homemade ghee, The bliss, peace, and taste experienced is almost indescribable because my mouth is watering and I really want to eat this as soon as possible. So therefore, if you like this sharing video and the recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.